this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make your Instagram account public so that anyone can see your profile, can see your posts, and also can see your followers. If your profile and your followers information is hidden to the public, then it means that your account is set to private. Then to unlock it, just head over to your profile down here and then head over to this menu. Under this, scroll down until you see the option called account privacy. As you can see, it is currently set to private. If I click on it, you can see it is set to private, and we are told that in case we set it to private, it means my posts are hidden to the public. We are told that if we set or switch to public, then your profile and posts can be seen by anyone, whether they are on Instagram or not on Instagram. So to make it public, go ahead and turn off this and then confirm by switching to public. And here we go. Now my account has been switched to public, and therefore from now henceforth anyone can see everything I post on my Instagram account. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.